Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jeff Teague, Raleigh, North Carolina. Normally, I'm in the mountains of Georgia right now at Destination Outdoor, and it's an event for serious hardcore off-roaders, people who just love the off-road. What better place to show off the new Toyota Lift Kit on this Army Green TRD Off-Road Tacoma.
Rise, Lord Vader.
Now, the nice thing about this for you people who just want to lift, but you don't necessarily want to do it after the fact, from an off-road company, right? A 4x4 company, you can get it either with it or you can get it at the dealership level, and it has a 2-inch lift in front and a 1-inch lift in back. So it can give you the flexibility to beef up your tires if you want to, and it also just gives that look like, hey, I'm here, I mean business. Now, part of the package is we have Bilstein monotube shocks, which help with performance, ride comfort, and also control. Now, one of the big questions people have whenever you add accessories or options and you kind of change the structure of the vehicle itself, well, when you add a lift, is it going to void the warranty? Well, no, it won't. These bugs are everywhere on me. But anyway, another benefit, so you get the standard warranty that stays with it, but Toyota Safety Sense, it's compatible with Toyota Safety Sense, and this is the only lift kit that is approved for still using Toyota Safety Sense. So you still get your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, and automatic high beams. The other thing you get when you get the lift kit is the heritage-inspired Toyota grille, right? You get that. Now, one of the things you are not able to get is fog lights because it changes things. You can't get the fog lights with it. How does this look in mud and army green? And this isn't part of the lift kit, but I do want to show you the multi-terrain monitor that's on this one here. Camera right in the front. You'll also see cameras in the side view mirrors underneath. That helps you see beside the vehicle. Really helpful on trails like I found out yesterday. It's really nice to know when there's a big boulder there or a stump or a rock. You'll also see, of course, the backup camera, and that completes the circle of the multi-terrain monitor. The other thing is, just in case you're wondering what the tires are doing here, well, if something happens to one of the tires, we've got something else that we can use while we're at the event. Let's look inside the truck so you can just get a feel for it if you want to. We've got decent sized back seat, right? And then in here, very truck-like, but it looks good, right? It's got an embossed pattern here, which actually helps to make the seats a little bit more comfortable. Power driver seat with lumbar support. This is the button that's really key to me because it shows you what some would call the bird's eye view camera, the multi-terrain monitor. You can see along the sides of, in front of, and of course behind, overhead, all that jazz. And how does that help you? Well, let's go behind us. You can see cars going by the road. Okay, now you can also see one view. You can change your grid lines. I'm going to put it into drive. We could change it to along the sides of. But the ability to see in front of you could be crucial on a trail. Everyone, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. What do you think of the lift kit? Is that something that you would want to add to your vehicle? The nice thing about it is you can add that at the dealership level even after you've purchased the vehicle, so that might be something you want to discuss with your local dealership. So, what do you think? How's Army Green? Does the mud look good with Army Green? We are having fun. We are turning it up. Turn down for what? Well, anyway, let me know in the comment section what you think. What'd you think of that multi-terrain monitor? Would that help you on the trails or in a parking lot when you're backing up, trying to cut the corner kind of tight, and it's a little tiny bit of room? All right, thanks so much. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos coming up from this event, so you'll see them on my YouTube, you'll see them on ToyotaJeff reviews, and then on Instagram at ToyotaJeff1. So thank you guys so much. See you next time.